Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics Tech YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. Today we are going to ask the question why some natural phenomena, and we are going to find solutions for that. First of all, we take a glass and add some water to it. After that, we can dip a pen into this water. What we can see from that? There is a little bending of light. Why this happen like this? I'm going to take two mediums. First is air and another medium is water. The light is coming from this air and it is going to the water. Then what will happen? When the light rays reaches at the surface of water, then the light ray will bend. If there is no water, what will happen? The actual path is like this. But in the presence of a water medium, the light will bend. This phenomenon is known as refraction of light. Why number 2? You already know that there are two types of physical quantities: scalar quantities and vector quantities. Vector quantities are the quantities that have both direction as well as magnitude. Consider about the time. Is the time a vector or scalar? If we are working to the time in the different regions of Earth, the time is different. Why the time does not belong to vector? The answer is time doesn't obey the vector algebra. Why number 3? Take small pieces of paper and just rub a pen into your head and show the pen into the paper. What you can see, the small pieces of paper are jumping towards the pen. Why? Electricity can be divided into two parts. One is static electricity, another one is dynamic electricity. This phenomenon belongs to static electricity. When you are rubbing the pen into your head, what will happen? The electric charges will accumulate on the tip of the pen. Then, when you are showing the pen into the paper pieces, there will be an attractive force act in between the pen and the pieces of paper. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, just share it to your friends.